Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Today I'm going to introduce our company's injection molding department. Kuaisu currently has 20 modern injection molding machines in-house for mold tryout and parts production. These machines range from 120 ton to 1050 ton. We can adapt flexibly to the industry's demands and ensure that the same machine and injection parameters are used for each mold to simulate mass production. Moreover, all the molded parts from our internal tryouts must not be disclosed to third parties. This is of great importance, especially in the automotive field. That's all for today's introduction. See you!